Wow, hello guys, welcome back to the bench with Gilly. So today we're going to be taking a look at what's in the box. And today's subject is Razor Crest by AMT. This is a spaceship off the movie Star Wars Mandalorian. Since part 3 is coming out, I figured why not? Let's take a look at her. So there's the front. There's the side. Warning. Do not chew. How she looks when she's done with the decals. And here's the back. You see right there. You know, Mando and Grogu. Baby Yoda. The nose, engine, and the bottom of the ship. So I acquired 2 of these. I'm going to have one in flight and one sitting on the ground. No, I'm not lighting them, so don't ask. Here's some clips from the movie. So bad. Well, let's pop this puppy open and see what's in the box. Nothing under there, so... Okay, we got ourselves, looks like a boot. Rice bowl, whatever that is. I don't know, what are you figure out whatever you want to call that. It's what, 3 bags so far? 4 bags? Ouch. Yeah, look at all the seams gonna happen on that, eh? 4-piece engine. A lot of seams in there. Five plastic, 1 plastic of clear. Looks like you can light it. Another plastic full of decals, and we got a fold out instruction. First, we got some painting callouts. Here they're referring to Tamiya paints. On the other side here we got the spaceship layout. Front and back. More decal layout, and the other decals. Wow, that's pretty cool. Anyways, that's everything in the box. Hope you guys had a good look at it. What? Oh, you want to see what's in the plastic? Okay. You guys asked for short videos. That was going to be it, but I guess we can take a look inside. So here's the instructions. Important, please read. Yeah, we all know we're not going to read that, so. Oh, okay. It's a giant fold out. Front to back. Pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16, 21 steps. Okay, that's the instructions. Let's see what's in the decal bag, or whatever this is. I'm assuming it's the decal bag. Yep, there's the decals. So you got 2 different kinds. You got a faded and then you got a full. Yeah, not bad. Says here, product and package designed in the US, made in China. Doesn't say where the Must be AMT stickers. So Okay, there's the stickers or decals. We'll stick them back in the bag, preserve their freshness. Whatever. The one clear part, take a look at that. Again, we'll save the bag. So you got clear parts. This must be for lighting or something. Yep. Well, that's the clear parts. And this is the engine parts. Throw the bag away. First we'll look at some pretty beefy parts, eh? Nice and thick. Yeah, there's a bit of weight to this. Hear that? That's how heavy it is. Parts look good. Engine nozzles look pretty good. Inside, you got a little bit of detail on the inside, so that's not too bad. So, and the outer part of the engines, 4-piece, so you're going to have a nice seam line all the way around. No detail on the inside, so I'm just guessing it's going to be a shell, and then yep, piece here, cover, and that's it. Simple. Same thing, pretty heavy, chunky parts. Detail looks good though. You got a lot of raised and recessed panels. It'll take a nice wash. Nice. Next, I'm not sure what these are, but this is why we take a look in the box, see? And we got 3 of these suckers, so okay, let's look at one piece first and then we'll zoom in. Let's get some better light in here. Yeah, this kind of looks like part of the cockpit. There's little Grugo's little eggshell. Speaking of Grugo, there he is right there. Let's zoom you guys in. Oh, technical difficulties here. There we go. Okay, let's zoom you in. Little Grugo is right there. See him? I was kind of disappointed that some of them said he looks like a little blob. Actually, looks pretty good. From what you can see, you got his ears, his little head, and then his body's all slumped up. There's Mando himself. He looks more like a blob. Like an old 70s space. But the egg looks good. You got the cover there. You got the bottom. That looks like the cockpit right there. There's Mando's seat. Yep, got a little bit of detail. Chunky parts again. Oh, we'll zoom it back out. There is a Grugo and a Mandalorian. Here's some more parts, not too sure. These look like the pew pew guns that go on the front. A little bit of detail parts, so yep. Look at that, see? See how chunky that is? More parts. Landing gear, that's what these are. Landing gear, legs, doors for them. Some detail parts on the landing gear legs. Front and back, so that's pretty good. 2 parts. Landing gear legs. Now take a look at this big bag. Whoa, what's going on here? There we go. Ramp by the looks of it, or door. Got it upside down. Yep, here we go. That's a ramp. Door. Part of the other ramp. Not sure what those are. There's an underbelly, or maybe the spine on the top. Big recess panels, so yeah. This will really take a wash. You'd have to look at all the detail in there. Backup camera. And here's the top of the spaceship. Turn that around, look at that, just over 12.5 inches. Okay. That'll look good. I don't know if it's supposed to be shaped like that. Maybe she's warped, I don't know. Pretty pliable though. No details. All of it's on the outside. Cockpit area. Yeah. Not impressed at all. Now the big boot, or boat, whatever this thing is. One piece, nothing in the bag. Comes with whatever that is. So here's the boat. Again, no details on the inside. Oh, nice recess paneling here. Same thing underneath. Can't believe we waited an extra 2 years for this to come out, and looks like crap. Oh, what the fuck that is. Whatever it is, not fucking fitting. There we go, yeah, that's fitting now. Seriously? Seriously. You could have molded those pieces together and yet you give us 2 pieces. Instead of just cutting this out and giving us 2 pieces there. Oh well. It is what it is. So this goes on top, just like so. Oh. Nothing's lining up, so that's what it's supposed to look like. I'm not too impressed, but hey, we'll see when we put it together, I guess. Throw that shit over there. Here you get a rice bowl with 1 chopstick. Yeah. Rice bowl with 1 chopstick. And that's everything that was in the box. Oh, we waited an extra, what, 2 years for this, and That's all you get. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that cheap little inside the box look. Catch you at the next one.